Respyria Nasal Dilator has changed so much for me. Just this little piece that goes in your nose has made a huge difference in my life in just a few days. Very simple. Insert, opens up the nasal passages, and immediately you can feel more air going into your nose. I've had a deviated septum. I have a collapsed sinus. No snoring, breathing better. This has made a huge difference for me. You need to at least try this. It has done wonders for me, and maybe it can do wonders for you.